Welcome! Here is another tutorial about the simple flared. Let's click on it, then select our camera, then select our light source, and then click on this plus button to add our flare. OK, click on 0 to go to the camera view and take a look at this very simple flare effect. It's very simple. Oh, I want to remove this element from the view. Okay, it's very simple, but sometimes it's very useful. I've used it in some examples and I like this flare very much. Let's take a look at all the sliders that we have. This is the focal length. It moves in the space the elements of the flare, changing their scale. It's something that can simulate a change in our focal. It's not a physical value, it's just an artistic value that you can use to adapt the flare to your scene. This is the global scale that changes the scale of all the elements of the flare. And here is the global emission. It is the light emitted by the flare. Okay, and then here is the global color. Maybe we want to make it more green. Let's change to green. Maybe at the moment there's something that works wrong on this element. We will fix for sure for the version that you will find. Yes, there's something wrong. Is not a problem. Here is the glow scale. The glow is the glow is the part out of the light. Sorry for my English. I don't know too much words, so it's hard for me to say what I want. But this is the glow. Okay, what I move now is the glow. This is the scale, and this is the emission, more or less light. Then there is a streak. Where is the streak here? I cannot see a streak. Ah, yes, there is a streak. We can add this streak. Can you see it? Okay. This is our streak light. Perfect. Okay. The streak, we have a scale. It can be a little scale. And then we have the emission, this is the light. Okay. Then we have a lot of sunbeams here, as you can see. So I can turn down the dimension, up or down. I can modify the number of sunbeams emit. 2000 sunbeams. Ooh. Too much sunbeams in my scene. I just want less sunbeams to make my flare faster to be calculated. And there is the sunbeam emission. This is the light. As you can see, there is here part of the flare that is connected to the brightness of the sunbeam's emission. If I make then more bright or less bright, it changes this halo, this hoop too. There is a ghost scale. These elements are the ghosts. They can be bigger or smaller. I like these very big ghosts that appear and disappear. I like them very much. Ghost emission. Maybe it's better to turn them down a little, like this. Okay. And then the dirt amount, we already know this parameter. As you can see, in each different flare I've used different dirt masks just to see what happens when we change the mask. Maybe in another version of flare we can edit or modify the dirt mask. Now it's not possible to do it. And then there is the obstacle occlusion that we already know, but we will see it in action in a dedicated tutorial. So this is the simple flare. Thanks for watching.